rotating tram cars providing you with 360 degrees just like the in chilly 11 minutes, step out in the environment. The high country of San Jacinto State Park in Wilmington at an elevation of 8,516 feet. We'll travel over 2.5 miles of pavement tonight. At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. Wild change, and the trees, flowers, and shrubs. We'll travel through 5 towers. The tallest is Tower 1 at 227 feet, much the same as 21 stories. For the original, the helicopter flew some 23,000 flights without mishap, carrying a total of 1,200,000 pounds of materials for the running plane. For the new rotating improvements included a new cable drive system and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey rock face that indicates where rock removal was required. The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees during their travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon, once the summer home of the Agua Caliente Band of Indians. Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cottonwood, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. To the left or south of the tram car is but one of the many waterfalls that descend by runoff from the mountains. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different light zones ranging
they have
from
numbers on there.
the Alpine Plain. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurred. As we approach Tower 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 6
Tower number 2 coming up.
Yellow helicopter platform.
Here it comes.
During construction, further along our journey.
Climbing to 8,000 some feet.
Already noticed, we experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitions from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion results in the car moving to the original track to the bridge tower and back to the tram. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland. And all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables in support, movement, and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the track cables on which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length. Therefore, weigh a total of more than 61 tons. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3. This happens when we pass the other people on the journey. While it appears that the downward car is traveling much faster than we are, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system of the valley station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart in fact. The Palm Springs aerial tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Brown, who to this day is known as
That's fun.
26 months of construction and a cost of $8.5 million.
Still got numbers on there when they chiseled out the rock.
In April of 1998, the Palm Springs aerial tramway contracted with the Von Roll Tramway to undertake the construction and installation of these new rotating tram cars, one of which you were riding, at a total cost of $12 million. just as in the very beginning. No tax dollars were used, and the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway depends solely on its revenue.